Right, good morning ladies and gentlemen. I've arrived at, well, I haven't quite arrived all the way there yet, but because he's coming out to meet me, he says it's hard to find. So I'm out today working. Not the Womble's work much. Fitting solar and some skylights to a transit. So no more to be said. I'm sat here now waiting for him. I'm in a little village, very busy little village. The cars are flying by here. So I'll keep you up to date. Hopefully I'm going to film it all. Right, catch you in a while. Right, I've arrived. Say hello, Spot. Say hello, Spot. Say hello. Hey. There you go. Right, the sticks here. Put that on the deck. Got two of those to fit, and we're going to put them together. They're all right. How much were they, Mike? How much were the panels?
I can't remember. I think because it was bought as a kit, it was about 400 and something.
Right. Shush.
Oh, that's correct.
Right. And what are they? 150 each.
150 each. Yeah.
Right. Okay. And what charger have you got? You got an MPPT. Right, okay then, yep. Oh, right, so, and of course it's going on this one. I say never have a problem with this. 4.5 tonner, isn't she?
It is, yeah.
Yeah, 4.5 tons. So, don't need to go inside, you've already seen inside that one. So, we're just about to start on it. So, I'll cut off there and get on with the job. Bolted all these together, put them down. I haven't still flexed them down yet. Put my T-pieces in. Oi! What are you barking at? She's a little cow. Oi! Stop it! She can't see me. She can't see me. Can you see her? She's just looking around trying to find out where the sound's coming from. Oi! Behave! Oi! See if I can wave at her. No, blind as a bat. Hello. There. So they'll get zip tied back underneath there. We're gonna put the gland down there, so there will be just a short length because going inside the van we'll use the false ceiling. It's in line with that post there usually. So that's where we'll go in through there with the gland. They're not Silcoflex down yet. So it's as simple as that. That's all bolted together. Right, that's it. Right, we've drilled the hole in the roof for to start on the cables. Only trouble is, every time I stick the drill in there, it is sucking out the plastic rock wool. So we're going to try and knock something through there now. So let me see if I can set the camera up there and see if I can clamp him down. There you go. Right. Because I just used the drill to hit that. Look, it's absolutely solid. You see if I can knock it to the side. It's going. And it was just melting this insulation and wrapping it around the drill bit. I think it's only because. Huh? Well, that's right. Rubbing two sticks together. There. I got it to the side, and I can push my nail inside the van. There is literally just from the timber to the roof of the van.
Right. Oh right.
You've only got half inch.
Yeah.
Half inch of. Well, you've got even half inch less insulation now. Right. Now I can. Once I got that out of the way, even more, I can shove the cone cutter through there. Come on, get out of the way. You don't like it. It's just full of strands. I know as soon as I stick the drill in there, it'll just wrap it round the drill again. Oh, yeah, it did. It did. I'm filming this, by the way.
Oh, right. You want any disasters, eh?
Look, we.
Oh, right.
Oh, I got my little knife out instead of my big one. I don't know why I got 3 knives on me.
Do you want a bit of flexible wire, like to... Would that be any help or not?
No, the nail's going around the corner.
Doing it.
It is going around the corner and pushing it out of the way. There, that's just got it out of the way better. That's better. Oh, other way. Don't smell too good either. There. Yeah, we want a bit bigger than that, because it is 2 big, thick cables, isn't it? Do you want to come up from the other way with that drill bit again?
Right.
And looking at it, you're going to have to go this side of him, back side of him,
Right.
as though they're both side by side.
Oh, right.
Yeah. And then we can stick the one down through the other.
So what, you want to drill complete another hole? Right?
Another hole, yeah.
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 Towards the
Yeah,
back.
because I can make this one bigger.
Yeah, got you.
Yeah, so if you come up this side, we can fetch both cables out through that one.
Okay.
Yeah? And I'll tell you then if you're chewing up on the installation. I'm going to move this ladder closer. When I nod my head, you hit it. Is the drill going the right direction? Is the drill going the right direction?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah, I'm not the main farmer, really.
Because I mean, I can come down from this way if you want me to, because I've got all the insulation out of the way. It's just that I didn't want it to break out when it got your side. Did that go through then?
What, sorry?
Did you go through then? Well, I can see the drill bit.
Can you see it then?
Yeah, it came up through the old hole. Right, I can come down from this end then. Yeah? Slipping into the old hole, right. Yeah. Yeah, I can nibble away at the side of it, can't I?
Yeah.
Because the steel...
If I go over too far, it will just...
Let's have a look. Yep. blow the fire out. Right, let's have the cables. Let's see if that's enough room in there to squeeze it through. Can't believe it sucked all that out. I'm going to move you over again onto the top of the panels. The two blank ends.
That one's going to come out through, is it?
No. It is just the other ends of it. If you can find them. Yeah, the blank ends. There should be two. Should be two cables there altogether.
Right. It's all in one, isn't it?
Unless that's what they did, and you've got to cut it in the middle.
Yeah. It is all in one, that, yeah.
It is all in one.
Yeah.
What do we want? Right, got the gland on there. Got a bit of paint around the hole and that. So, got the plugs out this side. I've got to move those to the gland. But we'll find something real heavy. We've got some Silverflex, and we'll bond that down, stop that moving. There's plenty of rocks here that we can find to put on there to hold it down overnight. It'll stay in here overnight. So there you go. Those will all get zipped underneath the panels so they don't rattle. Yep. So it'll be Mike's decision whether we put a bit of Silverflex on the cables to hold it down to the roof before it goes underneath the panel. But anyway, you've got 300 watts up there, not connected yet. In this real low light, just small roof lights, we're still getting solar in here. Couldn't believe that. So just got to space those. I haven't Silverflex them down yet either. So right, try that out.
Right. You should have left. If you snooze, you lose.
Yeah, that's right.
I waited 3 weeks with an email.
Right, there you go. That's all Silverflex down now. I'll walk around the other side and I'll go up the other ladder. Got some bricks on top of the gland. Stop that sliding around in the night. That can stay there overnight. I'll walk round to the other ladder. At least we got somewhere indoors to do it. I was just worried sick that I was going to start doing it and it was going to rain. We've had bloody good sunshine. Yep. There you go. That's in. Right. All those are down. I haven't plugged the solar in because the cabling didn't come with some battery terminals to be able to plug it onto the battery. So I'll just pause you there and go and get a torch. Right, let's have a look. Yeah, typical bus. Oh, these bloody mats, they'd have to go or get screwed down because the amount of times I've tripped arse over shit with them. Yeah. Oh yeah, that light ain't helping much, is it? Right, these mini buses, that's the biggest the opening will go because they got short steps, so you can't have the door all the way open. Right, we're in the bus now. Drop the two cables, if I can get that there. Drop these two cables down inside because we haven't got the battery terminals. He's going to run it down in a conduit down in a corner of the wall there. Let's come up. Right, we're coming down through an RCD breaker. Right, that's doing the positive side of it. So of course you've got to connect the battery up first, so that he'll run those across and tack those in. So the MPPT's in through that fuse, and then he's doing one. It's down there. I don't know whether you can just wait to see there. put my finger on it, it's there. Right, so you've got a fuse down that end. As it is at the moment, he's only got one battery in there. He says he's having another one, so I showed him how to do that. And I haven't cut these cables because I've left them extra long until he gets the terminals. Told him connect the terminals as though the MPPG comes on. Go up on the roof, plug the solar in. I left those unplugged, and then once you've plugged them in, come down, flick that RCD on, and you're away to go. It should start working. He's reading the instructions to get the batteries right. I think they come as standard, already prepped for ordinary leisure batteries. So don't quote me, I haven't got a clue on that. So there you go. Right, I like this light in front of it. It does light it up a bit. Hello doggies. Oh, there you go. Right, so, and I'm leaving him with a mess. You helped me make it. It is a nice van. It's a shame it's not a high top. I can't quite stand up in here. I'll put a link at the end and in the description. I did a van tour on this one, so he's taken all the cushions out for damp and whatever, so he ain't gonna really be using it yet. There you go, all set out, raring to go. Looks like my ex-wife, that does. Right, oh no, there she is. I can't, look, the sun's come out.